Good morning, everyone. It's Ann here from Ann Makes. Welcome to my studio. Trust me, you want to be inside the studio today, not outside. It's quite cold. But all silliness aside, I am back from Phoenix, Arizona, where I attended Creativation. So Creativation is a trade show and conference done every year by the Association for Creative Industries, or AFCI. It is a trade show. It is only for the people, retailers, manufacturers, suppliers, designers, influencers that work within the industry. It is not open to consumers. It is where the buyers at your favorite stores go to see what is coming out for 2019, what will be available by their favorite manufacturers and suppliers to purchase and sell to you in their stores. So I have a lot of interesting tidbits to share with you, lots of behind the scenes, new products to share. And in the first video in the series that I have of Creativation 2019 videos, this is a look at what happens behind the scenes, what it takes to put a trade show together. Well, it's just a glimpse really of the trade show floor before it is set up and all beautiful. It does involve months of preparation, days of building and setup. It's a big endeavor, and I'm just showing you a little glimpse of what that is. Also in this video, I will be showing you, kind of like a haul, the contents of the Creator VIP. I was attending as a Creator VIP this year at Creativation, and we were given this huge bag filled with product samples and full product by various companies that were exhibiting on the show floor at Creativation. And I want to say thank you to all the companies that contributed to this Creator VIP goodie bag. I am really flattered, and I'm honored to have been a Creator VIP for Creativation 2019. And I want to thank all those companies for contributing to that bag. It's really important. As an influencer, as a designer, as a maker, I need to work with a lot of products, and it's really nice to have samples given to me so I can work with them, so I can create more content that I can put out there. Then I can showcase the manufacturers, the suppliers, the retailers' products, and I could share creativity with as many people as possible. So thank you to all the companies, and here's a look-see at what was happening before Creativation, and of course what I got in my goodie bag. Enjoy.
here. This is where you do interviews. That's where they want you to be.
Oh, yes.
So you and I, we can
And so here's Carol. Carol is another VIP creator. And Terry, who's running away because she doesn't want to be in the...
It's supposed to be here.
Terry, the designer, who's not supposed to be here.
Next year she will.
Next year she will. Okay? So look out for these hot ladies. Oh, and that's it. So my before...
So Anne, I want to... Oh, I'm sorry.
What? liked seeing a little bit of what happens before a trade show of this magnitude opens, and that you were entertained at least by everything that was in my goodie bag. I did the best I could. There was a lot to show, a lot to film, and this is what I presented to you. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please like, please comment, please share. Let me know if you saw something in my goodie bag or maybe on the show floor that you want to know more about and you want to see me craft with. So yeah, let me know in the comments, which I do read, by the way. I do read all of them. It takes me a little longer to answer all of them now, but I do get to it. So thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and until next time, what do I say? Stay crafty. Bye.